Today I am reviewing Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th General. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen is a breakthrough in home recording, offering studio-quality sound for musicians, podcasters, and content creators alike. If you want a portable, powerful, and reliable audio interface, this is one of the best choices you can make in 2025. Whether you're recording vocals, guitars, or producing a podcast, the Scarlett 2i2 delivers professional-grade results without breaking the bank. First, let's talk about sound quality. The Scarlett 2i2 uses the same high-quality converters found in Focusrite's flagship studio hardware. That means a huge 120 dB dynamic range, clean and precise sound capture, and low noise. Whether you are recording a delicate vocal or an aggressive guitar riff, every detail is preserved. This is the kind of clarity that makes the difference between a good recording and a great one. The Scarlett 2i2 features two microphone and instrument inputs with advanced preamps. What makes these preamps special is Focusrite's auto gain feature. This intelligently sets the optimal input level for your mic or instrument, so you don't have to manually guess. On top of that, the clip-safe mode protects your recordings from distortion caused by excessive volume. It's perfect for beginners who want hassle-free recording and for pros who want consistent quality. Another feature worth mentioning is the air mode. When enabled, this adds extra presence and brightness to your recordings, especially for vocals and guitars. It brings that polished, professional edge you hear in commercial recordings. It's an incredible tool for making your sound stand out. When it comes to connectivity, the Scarlett 2i2 is designed to be simple yet powerful. It connects via USB-C, which delivers low latency, faster data transfer, and better reliability compared to older interfaces. The Scarlett works seamlessly with Mac, Windows, iOS, and even Chrome OS devices. This makes it an incredibly versatile option, whether you record in your home studio or on the go. Another major advantage of the Scarlett 2i2 is the software bundle it includes. Right out of the box, you get industry-leading tools like Pro Tools Intro, Ableton Live Lite, 6 months of FL Studio Producer Edition, and the Hitmaker Expansion Pack. These include essential plugins and effects that give you everything you need to start producing, mixing, and mastering your music immediately. That alone adds huge value to this package. Portability is also a strong point. Weighing just about 1.7 pounds and with a compact design, the Scarlett 2i2 is easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're recording in a home studio, traveling, or collaborating with artists in different locations, this interface fits seamlessly into your workflow. One of the standout aspects of the Scarlett 2i2 is its user-friendly design. The front panel features simple gain knobs for each channel, a direct monitor switch for zero-latency monitoring, and a headphone output with dedicated volume control. Everything is intuitive, so even beginners can jump right in without a steep learning curve. Overall, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a complete recording solution. It offers professional sound quality, excellent features like auto gain and air mode, a superb software bundle, and unmatched versatility. Whether you are a songwriter, podcaster, streamer, or music producer, the Scarlett 2i2 delivers everything you need to capture your best work with confidence. If you want to take your music or podcasting to the next level without spending thousands, the Scarlett 2i2 is absolutely worth considering. It's reliable, powerful, and designed to grow with your creativity.